Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel farmers auto insurance detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your farmers auto insurance, start by locating your policy documents. Review your policy for cancellation terms and conditions. Gather any necessary personal information, including your policy number and contact details. Decide whether you prefer to cancel online, over the phone, or in person. If opting to cancel online, visit the Farmers Insurance website and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Account or Policy Management section. Locate the option to cancel your policy. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation process. If you choose to cancel over the phone, call Farmers Insurance customer service at their designated number. Be prepared to provide your policy number and personal information for verification. Request cancellation during the call and confirm the date on which the policy will end. If you prefer a face-to-face interaction, visit your local Farmers Insurance office. Bring your policy documents and any relevant ID for identification. Discuss your intention to cancel with an agent and follow their instructions. Ensure you receive documentation confirming the cancellation of your policy. Ask about refunds for any unused premium amounts, if applicable. Make note of any cancellation fees that may apply to your situation. Always keep a copy of the cancellation confirmation for your records. Finally, take the time to review your new insurance options if you plan to switch providers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.